Alright, we want to find the second derivative of h of t. So we're going to start out by taking the first derivative. So the first derivative would be h prime of t is equal to, so we're going to use the quotient rule. So it's the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared. Okay, we're going to simplify a little bit there. That's t squared plus 4 is just t squared plus 4, and then we're going to say minus 2t squared all over t squared plus 4 squared. So we're going to do one more little cleanup. We're going to combine like terms there. So that gives me negative t squared plus 4 on the top of the fraction all over that group squared. So there's the first derivative, and now we want to find the second derivative. So we're going to take the derivative again, and once again we have a fraction, so we're going to take the denominator as is times the derivative of the numerator, which would be negative 2t, minus the numerator as is, and then we're going to multiply that by the derivative of the denominator. Now, the denominator is a group of terms raised to a power, so we're going to need to use the chain rule. So we're going to bring the 2 out front. We're going to write the inside function as is. Reduce the power by 1, of course that just gives us 1. And then we're going to multiply by the derivative of the inside function, which is 2t. All over the denominator squared. So t squared plus 4, and it's already squared, and we're going to square it again. Let's do a little bit of cleanup. In my first term, we have a single group of negative 2t, so I'm going to bring that out to the front. And I'm going to leave the groups as they are. Minus, and here we have two singles, we have 2 and 2t, so I'm going to multiply them together out front. That's going to be 4t, and then I'm going to write the groups negative 2t plus 4, and then t squared plus 4 multiplied behind it, and then I'm going to divide all of that. Now we have something squared, and then we squared it again, so that's raised to the power of 4. And this is where we will stop.